Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Pride! So this weekend is Pride in San Francisco, so I decided to create this Rainbow Pride look using this Bright Bold palette by Tarte. Now colors do scare me because I really don't know what I'm doing. So you may see me struggling at time to time. I did start off with some tape on the edges of my eyes for the beginning of this video, but then I decided I didn't want to do that because I wanted a little bit softer look. So that just means I am human and people do make mistakes. So anyways, I just really wanted to create this soft rainbow look, kind of like a sunset kind of eyes where it starts from the brow bone, from a warm transition into more of a cool tone, and it gets into the center of the eyes and it gets more warm again, and then the edges of my eyes to my lower lash lines, it becomes more cool. But anyways, I mixed some colors in this. I wanted to increase the crease color with some more vibrant magenta colors, so you'll see me dipping into another palette. And as always, I'll put everything in the info box for you guys. So I'm just starting off with some purples on the outer corners because I want the gradient look to be more dark, smokier, and as that gets into the inner eyes, it gets softer. I'm using a white base because I am going to be using the yellow on the center and I want it to be really bright and bold. So I'm dipping into my Pat McGrath palette and I'm mixing those two purple colors because again, I really want this purple to stand out a lot. Now going in with this Real Gar color, which is like an orangey color, I want the crease to soften up a slight bit in the center. Now I'm going to jump in with the yellow and use my finger to pack it onto my lid space. And by the way, I really like this song. It just makes me want to dance. Anyways, so you see me removing the tape and at first I was like, oh, looks pretty good. But anyways, as you'll see, I'm still working on it. I'm using this blue from the palette and I'm just rimming my lower outer corners. And I was like, there is not enough pigment in this. So I was like, you know what? I need to use something stronger. So I busted out my Givenchy waterproof pencil. It's in a cobalt blue. So I'm just rimming that outer corner. And I'm going to take that shadow and blend it out. So that definitely did the trick, and you can see I'm just going to smoke out the outer corner with a little bit more purples because I noticed that it still had a sharp line, which I disliked. So again, I'm just changing up this look as we go. For the inner eyes, I did the same mistake and I don't know why I didn't learn from it. So I went in and I was like yelling at myself saying there's not enough color, use a pencil girl. So I did the pencil and again it did the trick and I'm just gonna smoke it out with the shadow.
You turned toward me and looked so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes and everything.
And please don't mind my hair. Yep, I'm actually going to be washing my hair after this video, so that is why. And I'm going to take a little bit of a carbon black or a matte black and I'm just going to smoke it out ever so slightly. I'm just going to diffuse that corner and kind of remove that little streak from the Scotch tape, which I disliked. So I'm just going to blend it all out and make it nice and soft. My look looks weird right now, but I promise lashes make everything better. See? I am so happy with the end results of this makeup look. Honestly, I filmed this look twice another day. It just didn't work out. I used the same palette with different placements of the colors. And I don't know, I wiped it off, I tried it again. I basically had a makeup block that day. But today, I was feeling this look.
Follow me down, there's no one around.
So I paired this look with some bronzer, one of my favorite Icicles highlighter by Becca, which is a limited edition. And I paired this look with this Lilly Lashes and Sephora collection lippies. I just posted a demo and review first impressions on this. I'll go ahead and put that link down below for you guys if you guys haven't seen it. The lippy set is amazing. And I paired it with the gloss because I really, really do love this gloss. I'm not a gloss person, but I do like it.
Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, watching me create this look, dropping makeup all over the place. If you guys are attending SF Pride this weekend, I hope you guys have a great time, take lots of pictures, have fun, give everybody hugs, and thumbs up this video if you guys liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!